Let's make sure the back is massaged. Remember the oil of yesterday. Oh my goodness. It's not my fault. I'm going to open this shit. I don't have nails. 1 second for me. I have opened it. It's broken. That is a good thing because I want to put it inside the oil. And let's mix the oil. Oh my God, okay. This one is alright. I have to finish all of it. Guys, you see my hair? My friend helped me yesterday to do it all back. I'm actually growing my hair. I have this oil I made for hair growth. It's working actually because I don't used to have front hair, but now it's coming up so a little bit. So let's first cover like this and shake it before I put the shine is not that much, but come up. Okay. Oh. It will not go inside. Stay with me. You guys know that this is YouTube video, right? If you do the clapping I'm doing, then you will not even need to jump too much. Small thing like this. Everywhere is making us. There's something I could have said, but I'm not gonna say. Because I know some men cannot even make that, produce that sound. Oh, you see, the oil is too much. Guys, it's good to massage your body. I'm doing a little bit in here. Let's clap so that we do the back. And then I was clapping with my shoe on. And then once I removed my shoe. see, I'm sweating. Can you guys see? After I say it's not exercise. It is. It is. It is. Okay. Could have said we are done, but let's do one last thing. Very fast one. Like, you know the way I do ba ba ba. Now let's do ba 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 ba. Let's see how far I can do for that, and if it can be loud, and also how long I can do it. Let's go. He was throwing me backward. Gee. But meanwhile, I'm just admiring my fine hair. This is natural beauty. You see, natural. It's like too fine.